Are you reading the book? Or playing with the cow? Lily? You goofy girl.
Who's that?
I'm recording? You really? Tell everybody what you're reading in that book. You've got to be kidding me. Oh, is it that bad? Okay, we'll stop.